In this video, you'll learn how to sell an NFT using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you'll successfully list your NFT for sale on a popular marketplace. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to an NFTs marketplace that supports Solana NFTs. Common options include Magic Eden, Tensor, or any other marketplace of your choice. Ensure that you are accessing a legitimate site to avoid any security risks. Once the marketplace is loaded, look for a button labeled Connect Wallet. This option is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to initiate the wallet connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet, you will see a list of supported wallets. From this list, select Phantom. This action prompts a connection request to appear in your Phantom Wallet application. Next, switch to your Phantom Wallet application and approve the connection request. This step is crucial as it allows the marketplace to interact with your wallet. Once approved, you will be redirected back to the marketplace, confirming that your wallet is now connected. Now that your wallet is connected, navigate to My Items or Profile on the marketplace. This section typically displays all the NFTs you currently own. Select the NFTs you wish to sell by clicking on it to view its details. After selecting your NFT, find and click on the option labeled List for Sale. This button is usually prominent on the NFT detail page. You will then need to set your selling price, which is often specified in SOL, the native cryptocurrency of the Solana network. Once you have input your desired price, confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. This confirmation is necessary to finalize the listing of your NFT for sale. After the transaction is processed, your NFT will be officially listed on the marketplace, making it available for potential buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.